In this video, I'm going to show you a double treble crochet, or in US terms, this is called a treble crochet. Now, what I want to show you here are some treble crochets. That's UK treble crochets I've already done. And here is a double treble crochet. Can you see? It's about twice the height, which if I fold over, you can see there. And it makes a much taller stitch. And this stitch you're more commonly going to see in more intricate pieces like perhaps lacy shawls or mandalas. So what you're going to do, with a treble crochet you normally wrap round the hook once, but with a double treble, you've guessed it, we're going to wrap round twice. So here you definitely want to be holding it in place with this finger. With your hook from front to back into the stitch you're working into, yarn round and pull through just the first loop. Can you see it looks a little bit awkward here, but you're just going to finish the stitch in the same way you finish any other stitch, which is where you draw through 2 loops at a time. So yarn round, draw through 2, split my yarn there, and that's better. Yarn round, draw through 2, yarn round, draw through 2. So same again, yarn round the hook twice, hold in place, working into the next stitch from front to back, yarn round, pull up 1, and here you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your stitch, on your hook, sorry. Yarn round, draw through 2, yarn round, draw through 2, yarn round, draw through 2, always in 2s. So once more, round the hook twice, into the stitch front to back, yarn round, pull through 1, just 1 to start with, and then from there we're going to go 2, 2, 2. So yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2, and there you have it, a row of double treble crochets.